Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Yeah, this is it. Go! 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 Yeah, this is it. Go! Let's go! Yeah, this is it.
I'm so grateful to have you as one of my best friends since 9th grade. I wish you all the happiness, success, and love in the world.
Yeah, this is it. Go! Go! Yeah, this is it. Go! Let's go! Yeah, this is it.
Happy birthday, anak!
We
love you!
In the morning, like my mother says, when you gonna live your life right? Oh, mama dear, we're not the fortunate ones. And girls, they wanna have fun. Oh, girls just wanna have fun.
Hi anak, alam mo naman kung gaano ka namin kamahal ni Daddy. Mahal na mahal ka namin. At alam mo kung ano yung kaya pa namin gawin ng Daddy para sa'yo. Ganun ka namin kamahal.
Oh, daddy dear, you know you're still number one. But girls, they wanna have fun. Oh,
Happy birthday, Keisha! I love you! Ngayon, Ken, alam ko, dalaga ka na. Pero alam mo naman, di ba, kung ano ang gusto ko para sa ikabubuti mo. At yan naman lagi ang sinasabi ko sa iyo. Mag-aral ka lang ng mabuti, lahat, matupad mo lang lahat ng pangarap mo. Masaya na kami sa iyo ng mama mo. At tandaan mo, mahal na mahal ka namin kahit anong mangyari. Ganyan ka namin kamahal ng mama mo.
some boys take a beautiful girl and hide her.
Happy birthday, KN. I remember those times na grade 6 tayo, tapos nag-share tayo ng lip tint. I want you to know na that we will all support you. I'm very happy for you and I love you so much.
Happy 18th birthday, Ken! Happy 18th birthday, Ken! Love you!
Happy birthday message sa aking kapatid, kambal. At lagi mong tatandaan, nandito ako for you at alam mo sobrang mahal na mahal kita.
I